Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Pomo Chukwunonyelu Menwenam Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu na Oraifite ma ọ kpọọ Akajigo. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi dịkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. My mission is to help people live better life. That an oga one case you importance of sacrifice. Ichuaja. Yes, I'm here to tell you that ichuaja carry ogu. And I'm here to tell you also that no new to for tota. I'm not coming back and go again. Now, no banana ichuaja. Givers never lack. When you are giving, you never lack. Because nature has a way of paying you back. Onye na-asị ka onye mmadụ, ịchụ aja dị n'ụdị dị iche iche. Ịchụ aja bụ when you deny yourself what is rightly yours for the benefit of mankind. O nwere ike ịbụ ịchụ aja through ihe a na-akpọ joyful activities. O nwere ike ịbụ through saraka. O nwere ike ịbụ through almsgiving. O nwere ike ịbụ through charity. O nwere ike ịbụ ịchụ aja wee nye the gods. Yes. O nwere ike ịbụ n'ụdị dị iche iche. Well, self-denial. When you deny yourself the enjoyment, whatever that others enjoy, you deny yourself. It could even be through fasting. Fasting is not when you don't have food. Fasting is when you have food and you decide to, or have the money to buy food, and they decided to give somebody that money and go hungry. That is sacrifice. Sacrifice simple means when you deny yourself of your rightly possession for the benefit of others. So when you decide to give out your time, your energy to propagate, that is sacrifice. So here I get the benefits. Now, before we dive into today's lecture proper, important announcement. Don't forget that we are still in the month of May. Our monthly ritual is still ongoing. Whether I announce it or not, it's still ongoing. They can't stop. It started over 4 years ago. We have massive testimonies. This to go to temple to aja go for could be opening the soil line to I get migrated last day of the month. Last day of the month, I didn't even try to move to aja this teacher. Mesaraka. Now Hamadu. We have massive testimonies, but as you all know, we don't share them on social media. You know why? It's not necessary, not why we are here, but I can tell you that school know we are. About the church, I do when Ankuzia, Mommy Chok about the family, Momo, personal discussion. Non big at Jimotambo 0805 7837 672 or 0813 8243 Now let's proceed. Issue why you will be importance of sacrifices. Ichuaja. There were so many ways as Ichuaja and Dua. And the now all the also as Ichuaja did teach, they are all the keys. Yes, and were the keys of Yega solve that problem we won't. Igbo is when you are giving something a livestock in exchange of life. All he didn't do, Keja Monya didn't do onwe. Only Ganada this year. Yes. Then you decide to give something in exchange of life. To according. Etu akọ dị n'ihe niile. So all the money ga na-atụ iri aja. Ndị Igbo, our ancestors understood it very well. Yes. You know why? But during the ancient time, ha na-enwe ihe nunu n'ụlọ, the animals, the livestock. You know why they are having those things? Whenever the spirit of death, whether you believe or not, and with spirit of death, those spirit of death normally go around then looking for life. Yes, The same way in the spiritual realm, with positivity and negativity, to a case when more job. And well, men of underworld, as we all know, name them the armed robbers, the bandits, the kidnappers, and they are all men of underworld. Though in the world of the physical, it was a case of spiritual counterparts. Ndolo have a quiz on muddy here, Napo muddy here, Nana Zumadori more, no did teacher. The world of physical, I heard you haven't there, cousin Kuzanama to reach for him with that man. In the world of physical, the bandits, the men of underworld might come to your house. What they are interested in to be possess you of your belongings. Now, when they came knocking, Abrona, Navy and Abegi, you can give them your material things. Egogi, they will go. But out of annoyance, when they visit your home, you don't have anything valuable to give them in exchange. Out of anger, they might decide to buy one of your household. Out of anger. Now, the same thing goes in the world of spiritual. Those spiritual thieves, let me put it this way, the bandits. Earthly governance and whatever that happens, I have the prototype of what is happening there in the spiritual realm. Yes. So one of the spiritual bandits. That's why some people will be telling you, "Nah, there's holy more." So she have been known, so she have the key, but not that they get a shot. Oh, the more can is. There were so many ways they get some madozi. Or the more when big how could when cable through in a pugi them. Now, na more. Now, baby, when you are sleeping at night, those days our fathers are wise, our ancestors are very wise. How will you hear the way you look at that goat in will be very healthy? Spirit of death, they want to take something life that have life. So they can take their animals, livestock, and go away. But when they came knocking and find nothing to take those animals, they will descend to you the higher animals. Enjoy. It's simple as that. Now, some people will be asking me why, what of how another town? Then when you get in there, those livestock. Okay, what you will be doing from time to time, from time to time, what would you head in the world to all chigaja, to all the chiaja, to all more the chichaja? Those spirits in our head end, knowing fully well that you are always up and doing. You always pay your dues even before they came knocking. They will not come. They will always say, "No, I'm not up to date. I'm going to mad." In my town, I'm going to maybe some months as they go security levy and all those things. But on the time elapsed, so any macaroni when the youth, the task force, they are going on a buy, the yes, and the happens that begin with a goes on daisy. Penalty that follows it because you refuse to pay at the given time. Now, but for me, I don't like it. So before the time, I will pay all my annual clearance and be up to date because I don't want them to miss it. Spiritually, in order to ward off all those things, to build a personal relation, PR, with women. And I say na no onwere mmadụ ka o nwere ego ọkwa eziokwu ụfọdụ a na-asị na enwere ndị nwere long legs and long hands ha ma mmadụ. I can tell you no nwere ife ụdị ndị na-etu a ga-eme look over because na ha na-adị up to date ha mara mmadụ they have contact. Etu a ka esi nwekwa ndị nwere contact na mmụọ. The only way you build the contact bụ you get na chi gị na-echukwa ndị ichie na-echukwa arụsị dị iche iche na mmụọ niile gị na-aso. When you are in a build personal relation, they know you as one of their own. Then when you are building, whenever mother open a water case in a more, those personal relations you build as no. This is our own. This is our son, our child. Understand? In whom we are well pleased. Nothing should happen to him. Then we come to your defense. Let me give you an example. Do you know they will grassroots mobilizers? Grassroots mobilizers in the sense that whenever you want to go against them, other people will defend them. So because of ihe a na-erite personal relationship will be go with them. I can tell you, His Excellency Peter Obi now, nwere ndị ga-achọ ka aga after him, or ihe afọtụ ndị mmadụ ga-akwụsị no, because they loved him. Maybe because of what they saw in him, or maybe what they have benefited in him, or what they hope to benefit. So when the importance of building personal relations and sacrifices. So learn how to do sacrifices, build those personal relations. On one on be in vain. On one on be in vain. Okay, when they be ichuaja. In ichuaja nwa, ubosi oge reje derenge. Those aja nwa we speak for you. Gị nwa na onwe gị debara ahụ na ịma ihe, he refuses to ichuaja. Na-asị ndị mmadụ sị ndị na-arụ ọrụ ọdịnala na ha na-eme kasịnụ. Oga, gị nwa na-efiru n'ọgụ the wisest man on earth. Since you don't kill Ezeana that you refuses to be doing personal relations with your mom, how many 4-decking have you built? How many Lamborghinis and Mercedes-Benz have you used that money you have been saving to acquire? Now, tell me what you have saved. Let me tell you. Are they shit more? When you're supposed to be doing all these things, to be doing personal relations, and you are not doing it, when the men of underworld strike, you lose more. The same way in the spiritual realm, when you refuse to build personal relations with your mom, when you care and misfortune and the challenges of life before you, you spend more. This law is saying that a stitch in time saves 9. A stitch in time saves 9. So what am I saying? I want to know why I got how things work in creation is knowing fully well that the elemental beings and entities of powers that are in charge of this gross material world. And for you to enjoy this gross material world, you need to build personal relations with them, so that they will always watch your back and fight your battles. And there are some people that hate you, whether you like it or not. Now, whenever they start their diabolic things, whenever they start engaging evil men to come after you, those personal relations you build with the good spirits will jam them. So the two, the four and the against will fight your battle. Are you getting me? But when in the spiritual realm you have not built personal relation, the spirit doesn't know you, even the spirit of your ancestor doesn't know you. So when evil people engage those negative people, negative spiritualists, to manipulate you, or from negative altar to hypnotize you, to cast spell on you, you will not have any spirit to fight your battle, because you build none. You build none, I can tell you. Because what had it been you have built personal relation with them, they will say, no, this is our own. This is somebody from time to time do give us something. We can't afford to lose him. So you that have been saying that you have been stingy to the spirits, I'll tell you, if he refuses to give them, they have a way of taking it from you. They can take it via sickness. They can take it via misfortune. Any even doors or gal na free, go be a talk. More would come more say, may he only 10, 50 years, he will be any 20 years, he will any misfortune in their life. Hagano to a gas everywhere. You want to go open card. He the very hard, he the very natural, and so many. They have a way of taking those things away from you. They can even enter if you know you're not going to also. Or don't know see a song wrong with your budget money. You will that money, I never lose your motor. Here can book. So you can run away thinking that Nandine Mesaraka, Nandine Almsgiving, Nandine Chuachiha, Nandine Chuamon Naha, Naha, that Iberibe, no one already wise. Nah, Jusiki. Says how many years Yawa in a save that you are so called money. Can you hear Maputa? Makanam Moga, each the Muwaga, but when he cannot go from Wagada, but you go and spend that money. In what they cannot go to move for you, Amagihana, you go and spend it. By then, it's only making more Oye. After on social media, somebody na Oye LS-Ana, LS-Ekubo. Some people are saying, I know 1 billion match on a mafia, no, your ego, maybe go treat him and treat cancer, or maybe run into millions, and the chances when the kids stay this slim. Maybe now, area. See, on blame me, this entitled mentality should stop. ọ bụrụ na gị nwere onwe gị na-achọ ka mmadụ meru kere nke imere mmadụ ọ bụrụ na ị na-eche na ọ bụrụ na mmadụ onye ọbụla nọ n'ụwa ọsọ ya bụ the billionaire, the richest man in Nigeria, if he starts giving out money and helps to whoever that knock to his door, he will become poor. He will be in the state of mebere. So there is no way one person will solve everybody's problem. It's not possible. You want to work on solve all problem. If you don't learn how to give out for that small 20,000 you have, if you went to 1 billion, you will not give. So before you now say that mother emerald can email. Kalonde come, are you telling me that the only come on what? Kalonde come my in your laka. Because on that age, they will still stand by you in jail. So let's stop this mentality because you don't give. If you are not a type now, look at your ancestral forces. They will not fight for you because you are too stingy. They don't know you. Before you know it, before anybody will invest in you, the person believe in you, and the person will report the hope he always get in return of your marriage. Yes, that is how it works. Oh, you're too for total. So whoever that will give you either okay, you want to talk about marriage here, but on the share good post, you will not keep promote to career. You want to go an actor or actress natural, or I have a billionaire, and you will not keep that billionaire and office will be healthy. Very promote to business here. Very establish some contact, promote to investment here, make more money. So that organ will see about will help you. You will be healthy in your area. Madam, I way about Sirigi, if you lose your entitlement, no question, they be a bruginisi, to kill the Brugion, when again the bed, and where may be. So, Kaimotaka is a charger. Why the hell the mother on the cage or larger, mother on the kid him well. About unnecessary money, only care about your talent. Mother on the help promote their business so that in return they will remember you. Let me stop here. So, but know the importance of ichuaja. And what I do on ichu no wag I'm not here what me anywhere. I won't know what I do when Uncle chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672 or 0813824381. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na odi ihe siri m ike. Ma Chineke na-apụghị. Izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụgbuo ya. N'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu Premier be with you all. May you be protected. May you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie.